The Parliament tried to find out the matric records and the diploma from the Tshwane University of Technology for Mr. Oh, sorry, my name is Sihlelonzi, Member of Parliament, deployed by the Economic Freedom Fighters. We're happy that you are here, Mr. Malusi Swelo, Knowledge Masilela. And because we struggled to verify, I think it is consistent and correct, as we did with other candidates, to maybe put it to the candidate immediately. When did you finish your diploma at the Tshwane University of Technology? When did you complete your diploma in journalism?
I've fully completed it in 2023. 2021, sorry, my apologies, yes.
All right, I'll come in at the end then, Chair, because I don't want to abuse, because the CV says you've completed it in 2011, and you are now saying you completed it in 2021.
No, it might have been a typo or error, because the confirmation that I have of the qualification and the graduation thereof is of that particular year I'm indicating.
I'll do my follow-ups at the end, Chair, because there are problems related to that, because Mr. Masilela would have been a senior researcher in Mpumalanga, would have served in boards way before 2021, which would have needed at least a post-matric qualification for him to do that. But let's take the answers as it is. Thank you very much, sir.